NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video, I am going to explain about Thevenin's resistance. That means total resistance calculations for a circuit which have the resistance with the infinite series. For example, in this circuit, we have to find this R equivalent between the terminal A and B. The circuit have the resistance infinite series. Okay. This question is very important for GATE, IAS, all other government examinations. This concept is different from other Thevenin's resistance calculations methods. Okay, so we will discuss. This question is asked in Indian Space Research Organization ISRO 2018 Electrical Department examinations. So this question is important for electrical, electronics, and instrumentation students. Before the discussion, we will solve an aptitude problems. Concept for the aptitude problem is related with these concepts of the resistance calculations. Okay, here this terms goes up to the infinite. Similarly, here the terms, the resistance, it goes to infinite. Okay, just listen this concept. The concept is very much important. Let us take this term up to infinite is equal to y. The point is, let's take a 10. We have to add until the infinite. The value is equal to very close to, if you add the term until the infinite minus 1. Okay, so the term summation until the infinite minus 1 is equal to summation until the infinite. So root 12, this is infinite term is equal to y. This term is infinite minus 1 term. So infinite term is very close to infinite minus 1 term. The point is summation of value until the infinite term is equal to very close to summation of the value until the infinite minus 1 term. Okay, this is infinite term, the value until the infinite term. This is value, one value is left. Okay, this value is until the infinite minus 1 term. Okay, now solve this problem. Square on both sides. We will get y square minus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Solve this equation. We will get y is equal to 4 comma minus 3. The answers for the aptitude problem is 4. Similarly, the term goes to infinite term. This infinite term value is equal to R equivalent. If the infinite term value is equal to R equivalent, definitely the infinite minus 1 term is equal to R equivalent. So we may rewrite this is infinite term, total infinite term. This is infinite minus 1 term. Infinite term value is equal to R equivalent. Infinite minus 1 term value very close to R equivalent. Now find the total resistance for the circuit. This R equivalent and 1 ohm are parallel. So use this formula, parallel formula. R total is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. If R1 and R2 are parallel, R total is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2, parallel formula. So here, let me take this total is equal to RT, R1 is equal to R equivalent into R2 is equal to 1 ohm. So we will get R equivalent by R equivalent plus 1. This is R total for this parallel combination. Okay, now the circuit will become like this. 1 ohm is RT and 1 ohm. For circuits, all are series. So R equivalent is equal to 1 ohm series with RT series with 1 ohm. So R equivalent is equal to RT plus 1 ohms plus 1 ohm. If R1, R2, R3 all are series, then R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, series formula. Now substitute this RT in this equation. We will get R equivalent is equal to R equivalent by R equivalent plus 1 plus 2. Okay, simplify this equation. Take LCM. R equivalent is equal to R equivalent plus 2 R equivalent plus 2 by R equivalent plus 1. Now simplify this equation. This term will goes to here. So R equivalent square minus 2 R equivalent minus 2 is equal to 0. Solve this equation. We know that if the quadratic equations ax square plus bx plus z is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 2, x is equal to R equivalent. Substitute in this equation. We will get R equivalent is equal to 2 plus or minus root of 12 by 2. Root 12 means 4 into 3, 2 root 3. Root 12 means 2 into root 3. So we will get answer is 1 plus or minus root 3. So option C is correct. Okay, the circuit have the resistance with infinite series. You have to use this concept. Now do it yourself. The first question is asked in GATE 2016 EEE examinations. Okay, first find RA for a circuits by using the above concept. Then find RB. Compare this RA and RB value. You will select your answers. The second question, this question is asking GATE 2018 electrical examinations questions. Here J5 minus J1 in series, so you may add the value will be J4. Use these concepts. For the question 1, answer is T. RB is equal to RA divided by 1 plus RA. For the second question, answer is option A. Try and comment your answers. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.